Alright, so today we're going to be learning how to derive the four equations of motion. So the first thing you want to do, okay, we're going to learn how to derive this equation first. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is, we all know velocity is displacement over time. Displacement over time. Alright, I know average velocity. Average velocity is v plus u over 2. That's final velocity plus initial velocity divided by 2. Alright, I know the symbols for displacement is s and time is t. Okay, so what do we do now? We can as well say average velocity. Average velocity is equals to displacement. Okay, let's just write that's s over t. Is equals to displacement over t. Alright? And we know average velocity is v plus u over 2. Alright, so we're having v plus u over 2 is equals to displacement over t. Alright, we got this v plus u over 2 from average velocity, and we got this distance over time from velocity, displacement over time. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is that you want to cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you'll be having t bracket v plus u is equals to 2s. Then you want to make s the subject of the formula. Making s the subject of the formula, we divide both sides by 2. So 2 cancel 2, then we're left with s u plus v over 2. And this is the first equation of motion. So deriving the second equation of motion is actually from the definition of acceleration, which states that acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with time. Alright, so acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with time. So we can also say acceleration is equal to v minus u over t. Alright, then you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, we have an 8t is equals to v minus u. Then you want to make v the surface of the formula. Then this u goes to the other side. Then we'll be having v is equals to u plus 8t. And this is your equation 2. So in order to derive the third equation, now this is the equation we're going to derive next. Now in order to derive this equation, we have to eliminate t from equation 1 and equation 2. Alright, so we eliminate t from equation 1 and equation 2. So eliminating t from equation 1 and 2. So let's start with equation 1, eliminating t from equation 1, which is s is equals to u plus v. Alright, eliminating t now is the first thing we can do now is we cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we'll be having 2s is equals to u plus v close bracket t. Alright, so making t subject to the formula now, divide both sides by u plus v. Alright, so when we divide both sides by u plus v, this we cancel this, and we're left with t is equals to 2s over u plus v. Alright, then eliminating t from equation 2, alright, which is v is equals to u plus 8t. Alright, then this u go to the other side. We'll be having v minus u is equals to 8t, and we're having t is equals to v minus u, which is final velocity minus initial over a. Alright, so equating the value of eliminated t from equation 1 and 2. Alright, so we're having 2s over v plus u is equals to v minus u over a. Alright, so what you want to do in this case is that you want to cross multiply. Alright, so when you cross multiply, you'll be having 2as is equals to v plus u over v minus u. And you're having 2as is equals to v times v, that's v squared. V times minus u, that's minus vu. Then u times v, that's plus vu. Then plus u times minus u, that's plus times minus, that's minus u squared. Alright, so this v u will cancel this one. We are left with 2as is equals to v squared minus u squared. Then making v subject to the formula, this minus u squared will go to the other side, and we'll have v squared is equals to u squared plus 2as. Alright, so we successfully derived the third equation of motion. So in order to derive the fourth equation of motion, we eliminate v from equation 1 and equation 2. Alright, so eliminating v now. Okay, let me write. Okay. Alright, so we're about to derive the fourth equation of motion now. And in order to derive this equation, we have to eliminate the value of v from equation 1 and 2. Alright, so we have to eliminate v from equation 1 and 2. So eliminating v from equation 1 and 2. Alright, so now eliminating v from equation 1, which is s is equals to u plus v over 2 and t. Alright, so the first thing you want to do in this case is that you want to cross multiply. Alright, so if you cross multiply, you'll be having 2s is equals to u plus v all bracket t. Alright, so what do you do here in this case? Use the outer to times the inner, which is t times u, that's ut plus vt. Alright, so we want to make s subject to the formula now. Sorry, I want to eliminate v. Yeah, v. I want to eliminate v. So I want to make v subject to the formula. So what do we do in this case? We're having vt is equals to this one comes to the other side to become minus. So we have 2s minus ut. Then making v subject to the formula now, divide both side by t. So when we divide both side by t, we're having v is equals to 2s minus ut. Right? So from equation 2, we're having v is equals to u plus at. Alright, so equating the value of eliminated v from equation 1 and 2. So we're having 2s minus ut over t is equals to u plus 18. Okay, so what we want to do here is we want to cross multiply. We'll be having t bracket u plus 80 is equals to 2s minus ut. That's t times u, that's ut plus 80 squared is equals to 2s minus ut. Okay, so this ut will go to the last side to become plus. So we'll be having 2s is equals to ut plus 80 squared. Okay, and ut plus ut, that's 2ut plus 80 square. So making x subject of the formula now, we'd have to divide both sides by 2. So dividing both sides by 2 now, we'll be having 2 into 2, that's s is equal to 2ut over 2 plus 80 square over 2. Alright, so 2 cancel 2, I left with s is equals to u plus ut plus 80 square over 2, or s is equals to ut plus half 80 square, and this is your equation 4. Alright, so you have to remember the first thing we did is that we got our first equation of motion from average velocity, which is equal to displacement over time. Then the second equation of motion, we got it from acceleration, which is the rate of change of velocity with time. Then the third equation of motion, we eliminated the value of t from equation 1 and equation 2. All right, then we equated the value of those eliminated equations, and that's how we got our third equation of motion. All right, then the fourth equation of motion, we eliminated the value of v from that same equation 1 and 2. So it's very easy, all right. So that's it. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram, and follow me for more. Thank you.